Welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing fine. So today we'll be talking about how to generate images or how to generate design, book cover design images with AI. So today we're looking at ChatGPT. I'm going to click on this. So when you click on ChatGPT, you have your ChatGPT, right? So this is your screen. You click on the ChatGPT app, come to this icon. Now I will be using a particular tool in ChatGPT. Okay, we're using a particular tool in ChatGPT. Now I'll click on this GPTs, then I'll type in image generator and search. Image generator and search. So this is how to generate on ChatGPT. Now notice that this app can generate you anything you're looking for. So we'll come to this option which is image generator logo art. This one was red. So when I click on this, I'll click on start chat. Okay, we'll click on start chat. Now I'm going to say this. I've been talking about prompts and it's very, very critical. So let's say I want to generate this book right now, titled said, let's give it this prompt. So give me a detailed cinematic book cover design for, right? Now this is a prompt. I'll now say for, let's say, the atomic habits. Let's say this is your book title, the Atomic Habits, right? Then 7 steps to being you. 7 steps to be the best you can, right? Then authored by James Clear. I'm just using this as a case study, right? Now say give me a detailed cinematic book cover design for the Atomic Habits 7 steps to be the best you can by James Clear. So you have the book title, subtitle, and the pen name. So this is for tutorial sake, and I will be more detailed in this in my mentorship session, right? And there are specific prompts I normally use to get the best. So once I have this, I'll send to this tool in ChatGPT. So it's going to work on the title, subtitle, and pen name and generate a book cover design for us we can use. You can literally use this to even generate images for your faceless YouTube channel. You can use anything that has to do with image or maybe a design. You can use this tool in ChatGPT and it's going to give you the best it can if you prompt very well. Okay, so it has to do with your prompting. If you prompt it very well, you're going to get something good. If you don't prompt very well, you're going to get something shabby. So all you need to do now is just to hold on while it's creating the image. It said creating image may take a moment, so you need a strong network, right? Else it can affect the process of creating. It can delay it, but if you have good network, all you just need to do is to exercise patience and you wait. So we wait for this as it generates. Remember, this is in ChatGPT and the tool specifically is image generator. You can see the logo because there are other image generators. This is not the only image generator that is about this specifically. So you can see this is a beautiful cover. A beautiful cover, right? So this is our cover. The Atomic Habits 7 steps to be the best you can by James Clear. So this cover is looking amazing. If you don't even tell somebody that this cover was made with AI, they won't know, right? So those into Amazon KDP, depending on the niche as well. There are some niche that this is not possible, and there's some niche that is possible, very possible. So all you need to do is to go to your Canva app and do the necessary adjustment and dimensions that you need, right? So this is perfect. So all you need to do now is just to download the image. You click on save. It's going to be saved into your phone. Once it's saved into your phone, you're good to go. So this is how to design a book cover with your ChatGPT. So even if you want to download an image, okay, if you want to generate an image or you want to recreate an image, you can also use this strategy. You can use this app and it's going to give you something beautiful. Okay, let's try okay, give me, let me use another. Let me give me a picture of a girl going to school, right? I'm just being basic. I want to change the picture, so give me the picture of a girl going to school. And then let me send it now. It's going to generate image. You want to use it to generate image. It also helps, right? For those you are into YouTube automations or maybe faceless and TikTok automations, you can use this to generate images. So we wait for it and see. So note that the prompting matters. So the magic lies in your prompting. The magic lies in, you can see this. I'm not even being detailed. Left for me, I'll be more detailed than this for this book. But you can see how beautiful it looks, how amazing it looks, right? How amazing it looks. So how you prompt matters. How you prompt matters. So our work is getting ready. So you see, so this is an image, right? You can use this for a video now. You can use this for whatever I want to do. So anything you want to generate, it depends on how you prompt. So reach out to me for mentoring. I consult for YouTube automations, faceless TikTok automations. I also consult for Amazon KDP. You can reach out to me and I'll mentor you and you get the result you require. So after you have done this, all I need to do now is just save this image and it will be in my gallery, right? I hope you got value. Share this video, subscribe, comment, turn on the notification bell so that when I post more valuable videos you will be notified. Share this with a friend that is into Amazon KDP and they'll be glad. See you in my next video.